Hi friends, my name is Achut and I am from Hyderabad. So today in this class we will solve another problem. So let us write the problem statement. So user need to print the Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? So I will explain what is a Fibonacci series. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So these are Fibonacci series. So how I am writing these numbers? So first it will start from 0 and after that 1. So first two numbers are common, 0, 1. So after 1, how I am writing 1? Because I am adding 0 plus 1. So I am getting 1 here. And after that, this number and this number. We have to check these two numbers. 1 plus 1, 2. And 1 plus 2, 3. And 2 plus 3, 5. So 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. So these are the numbers. So the first number and the second number adding, we'll get the third number. And likewise, this flow will continues until n. For example, the n is 13. So this flow will continuously travel up to n. So I hope you understand what is frequency series. So 0, 1 is common. After that, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So these are Fibonacci series. So we'll go on to the program. Import java.util.star. So first of all, we have to take scanner. So if we want scanner, we have to write import java.util.star. And scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot. So after that, I will take n as an input from the user and it will travel up to n. And afterward, I will take n1 as 0 and n2 is equal to 1. I am taking first two values 0 and 1. And after that, I will travel from from 0 to and plus that and 9 plus plus. So what I'm doing, I'm taking simply a input from the user and storing that value in the n, and I'm traveling from 0 to n. And I have taken two variables n1 and n2. I'm storing 0 and 1 values. That's it. Simple. So after that, I will print the first number 0. I will print the first number 0. So how I can print system.out.println n1. Why I'm writing n1? Because I'm storing 0 in the n1 variable only. So that's why I'm writing n1 and I will give some space. So after that, I will take temp as a variable and I will add n1 plus n2. So why I'm doing this? So each and every time I'm adding first two numbers and I'm writing the value, right? So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So for that purpose, I'm adding n1 plus n2, and I'm storing that value in the temp variable. So adding is completed, and I will do so, and I will change the n1 value to the n2. So why I'm writing n1 equal to n2? Because so whenever n1 value is 0, so whenever I'm adding the n1 plus n2, so what is the temp value 1, right? So after that, I am changing the n1 value 0 to 1. How can I do? So n2 value is 1, right? So I am shifting this 1 value to the n1 variable. I'm storing that n2 value to the n1 value. I hope you understand why I'm writing n1 equal to n2. Because I have to change, right? So after 0, 1, after that 1 will come, right? After the n1 value will come again 1, 1, and n2 will be 2. And after that n1 will be 1, and n2 will be 2. And after that n1 will be 2, and n2 will be 3. And after that n1 will be 3, and n2 will be 5. So this loop will continuously go on. So I hope you understand what I'm writing. So it's completed. So after that, I will write n2 is equal to 10. Why I'm writing 10? I am adding 0 plus 1, 1. The one value will be stored in temp. So I am changing the n1 value to the n2, which means I am changing the 1 value to the n1. So which means n1 value will be here 1. And n2 value will be again 1. See here 1, 1. I hope you understand. First of all, I have printed 0 here. And after that, I have added 0 plus 1 here. And I am storing the value 0 plus 1, 1. So that value in here. And after that, I am changing the n1 value 0 to 1. See n1 value. I'm telling store the n1 value to the n2 value. So what is n2 value? 1. So I'm storing that 1 value to the n1 variable. I'm telling that. And after that, I'm telling n2 should transform to the temp. So what's the temp value? 1. So until this loop will be complete, this loop will continuously iterating until n. So what is n? 13. So I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, please comment in the chat so that I can help you out. So I think the problem is good. Yeah, the problem is good. So let us run this program. So we have to write semicolon every time. So I will write 13 as input. So it's going up to 144. Why it's going? The loop will execute only less than n, right? Let us run this program again. So 13. So I have given it should travel from 0 and it should end till n. So I hope there is error in this compiler. So please try it in the Visual Studio. So if you don't know how to write the code in the Visual Studio, please search it in the YouTube. So you can get the required information. So the logic is correct. So we are traveling from 0 to n. This loop will continuously iterate until n. So what is the n value? 30. Should stop here. It is traveling. Let's run this program again. Let's give another input. For example, 8. So the Fibonacci series is working. So I think there is something wrong with this compiler. Uh, Sometimes it will happen like this only. So please try it in your compiler. It will work fine. So that's it, friends. I hope you will like this video. Like if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon so then only you will get the notification. Or otherwise, you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.